I've returned to my local Walmart and I was hoping that they got the newer cases with Jay and Dan Garcia, hoping so bad, but nope. Miguel, Kevin, Tim, Jackson, APB, Sheriff, Smokey, Dinoco Cruz, Chris, who cares? Silver King, no one cares, Bill, Jackson, let me guess, Dinoco Cruz, Billy, Jackson, Nigel Flames, Miguel. Oh, wait, that's the same one. Francesco, Bobby, Jackson, Conrad, Miguel, Dinoco Cruz, Francesco, and Savi Mouth Mater. Would have thought he would have looked better, honestly. Miguel, Silver Tim, Kevin. Terrible Carlo release. Wait a minute, if that's here, then maybe. I don't think that was there before. Okay. Brian, Cal, Silver Tim, Billy. Oh, that McQueen. Billy, Jackson, King. Oh, hey! At least I got something. Nice. Awesome. I may actually get the Silver King, perhaps. Jackson, Kevin again. Kevin's a peg warmer now. Barry, this pack. Miguel, Michael, Speedy, Barry, and the me and Tia. XRS garbage. No one cares. Poor Barry. The new 5-packs, like I said, are here, and it's just a one. Ooh, it's just a 1 5-pack, which is odd. Can doesn't actually look half bad. It actually looks really decent. Please just keep it where there's no eyeline and keep his eyelids black. If it means that it looks that good. Sheldon, on the other hand, no thank you. One hauler's opened up and it's from down below it. Get out of here, you. And Monster Dirt Refill connects in. Okay, that's sounds cool, but it's not supposed to be here, and you're invading. There's only. Wait a minute. It's. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. They've made the single section even smaller now. It used to be of wider pegs, I remember, and now it's so tiny. Only takes up this little section. That's depressing. Really depressing. I'm glad I have this. It's a shame it doesn't have the thing, you know, Miss Fritter's stop sign embedded into it. And why is he smiling on the artwork? But, as weird as it sounds, this here does give me hope that we may find Dan Garcia and Jay soon. Maybe they restocked, perhaps. I need to see if these guys were in the same case as some of these others. I think he was from case F. Maybe case G. Or H. I think it was G. Need to figure out which one had Dan Garcia and Jay released. Shut up, kid. Ugh. Garbage. Something I also just noticed is how many of the cards' packaging is just like smushed and crinkled up. Like, look at this. This looks terrible. There. It's everywhere. Make the case boxes much bigger. Please. Ugh. Nice. Hey, look, the trash is still here, and it even feels like trash. Get out of here, you. Hey, look, more trash. Hey, some good stuff. Okay, there's my car, but I come to the Thomas section to see what's up, and includes 10 favorites. I just realized this. Yes, definitely favorite characters. Definitely not characters that people want to punch in the face. Garbage. Weirdest Steam Team. Nia and Rebecca are joining Emily, Thomas, Percy, James, and Gordon in the shed. Screw you. So many Trackmaster push-alongs, and of course, Nia is pushed on all of these now. It's no longer James. it's, oh, and I see that big box is gone. It's no longer James, Thomas, and Percy. Now it's just determined looking Thomas and Nick. There's this again, just Cassia, 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 nothing else. But then this. Oh god, oh, it's the Hugo ripoff. Oh. Hey, these actually don't look half bad. These Annie and Clarabelle's. Well, they're actually properly sized now, not super tiny like they used to be. That's good. Well done, Mattel. You actually fixed something. And they have depth, too, and all. I like that. Fisher-Price. It's weird. Oh, shut up. But anyways... Benaway, shut up. Duchess, this character and all, and... okay, she does have the crown, but yeah, she's massive and somehow she's able to bounce her body around. Ugh. As for you, though... Hugo-looking ripoff that doesn't belong in Thomas and Friends... and has blurry decals, you're coming with me. Ha! Okay, and there's no more of them. That's good. At least there's some stuff for Thomas and Friends. Oh, another one. Again, pushing Nia. As if people like her. There, dead. Even though it's directly across. Can't forget my car. So yeah, that's it for here. Oh, and the gimmicky Golden Thomas. Ugh. Here's this section. If only you can hide in there now that you just push this smaller stuff into it. Dang it. That's really, really, really disappointing. Can't really hide in it as well as you used to be able to. Even the toilet paper section is looking barren.